channel. So today I'm coming to you guys with a taste test. Now this taste test is going to be candy, and it's specifically candy from Europe. A friend of my mother's and a great friend of mine now, Tammy, she is a traveler and she has family in Europe, specifically Germany. So she went to Germany and she picked up a bunch of snacks for me, some little sweets, and she brought it in this pretty bag. I'm not really sure what this is aside from McCool, and I'm assuming that it may be some type of wine because it says Vina Casino, and there's a lady on there. I don't know if you can see that. There's a lady on there drinking a glass of wine. So I'm assuming this is a wine bag, which is cute. Wouldn't mind if there was wine in here either. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead inside. She did fill it up decent. I thought I was gonna get like one piece of candy when I heard my mom telling her like, oh, bring candy back. And then I look in this bag and I see all these things in here. So there are some duplicates, but I'm gonna just go through them. And I think I wrote down a little bit about each one because there's some fun little facts. So hold on a second. Okay, so I'm gonna start. I have them in alphabetical order because I'm weird. I don't know why I did that. And I'm gonna start off with A, of course. So the first one in the bag is Amacelli. I'm saying it like that. It may be Amacelli, but it is Amacelli. And it's not going to be the right way, as I don't know what language this may be. It could possibly be Italian. I'm going to assume that it's maybe Italian, but we do know it's European. It is a hazelnut wafer, and it's made by the Mars company, who makes like Dove and those other ones. And I like that the packaging is simple. I don't know if this came in with this. I think this is one that my husband's German coworker brought home, because I'm thinking about it now, like, was this even in here? But nonetheless, it's from Europe. It came from a German trip, so we're including it. But this is what it looks like. It looks similar to, like, it looks like a really thin Twix. And it smells very hazelnutty. I'm a little sad there's only one because I feel like I'm going to enjoy this. So I'm going to give it a bite. Making a mess already. The wafer's not as crispy as I would think it would be. Feels like it might be stale. That's what the inside looks like. I don't know if I can get it. Looks like hazelnut, wafer, and then covered in chocolate. But yeah, it's like, it's chewy, and I'm used to like wafer and Kit Kat, and it's not. It's like it gives you like a snap, a crunch, and this is not as crunchy as I would assume it would be. I'm gonna give it one more bite. But I don't know if I really like this one. Yeah, it's just the texture of that wafer. Everything else is fine. It produces crumbs, but it ain't even that crunchy, so I'm a little confused. We'll go on to the next one. And that will be Harry and David. Come on, Harry. Okay. This is the Harry and David chocolate. Can't really see their names on there too well. But there's like a little tree and it says Harry and David. But the funny thing about this is right underneath Harry and David, it says Medford, Oregon, USA. So this is not a European candy. This is an American candy, and it is apparently circulating in Europe. So we'll count it in since this was part of the bag that she brought back. And it's chocolate. Oh gosh, okay, it does say mint. You can't even see that probably. It does say mint on the label. I'm not gonna like this, but I'm gonna still try it. I don't like mint chocolate anything. It looks a little beat up too. It's just taking on the shape of, excuse the honking, I'm filming in front of my window. I cannot film with this window closed because I will suffocate. I live in Florida. So, pardon that. I believe they got whoever's attention they were trying to get. But yeah, I'm not gonna like this. I know I'm not. I'm thinking there's mint stuffing. It's like a solid milk chocolate. Or mint milk chocolate. I'm not a big fan, but it's not bad. It tastes like the Olive Garden mints that you get when you get your check. So that one, not too bad. Kind of sucks that it's not even American. I mean, not even European, but thanks, Harry and David. So now we're gonna go on to the next one, which is Lily O'Brien. Oh, and I have a few Lily O'Brien items in here. The first one is this, and this is a Truffalicious milk chocolate truffle. Cute little packaging. Can't see that at all. Yeah, anyways, it just says, you know, it contains milk, soy, and I have nuts and cereals, and it's got the website so where you can buy it at. And I love the wrapping. Of course, this is in a bag, so this top part wasn't like flared out as best as it could be, but it's still cute. And then it just unfolds into this cute little square with like a mountain-like design on it. I think that's cute and simple. And as basic as they've designed this, it still feels luxurious. So it is Truffalicious. Well, we'll see if it's Truffalicious. Let me give it a try. It smells just like chocolate, and I know there's something on the inside because it's like a dip. So chocolate. So it wasn't like a big surprise. Very creamy. There ain't nothing special about it though. I've noticed that American chocolate tastes a lot different than chocolate around the world. And that's Irish, so I don't know, I'm not getting a lot of cocoa. It tastes really, really creamy, so it's like milky chocolate. But next, Lily O'Brien's item is a luxury marbled chocolate. And like I said, I have duplicates of some of these, so like here's an extra of the minty one, and here's an extra truffle. Oh, it's really from my husband. And I actually have 4 of these luxury, that's not it, marbled chocolate bars. So that's what these look like. Lily O'Brien luxury marbled chocolate, and it is a fusion of dark and white chocolate. This one's broken, so maybe I'll eat that one first and save these. Maybe if I like them. Maybe if I don't, they'll be gifts. Yeah, there's nothing really special on this. Thank goodness I got some chocolate that's not out of date. It expires next year. And yeah, just some instructions for storing. So yeah, the wrapping, I like the little golden stuff and bronze. The back has got what most chocolate bars have, and it's like nutrition facts and allergens, so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, it's actually quite pretty. So it's in, like, ooh, hello. Let me just take the whole thing out. It's in a block like this, but of course mine's snapped, and that's what it looks like. This side is pretty. I think that looks really nice. It's very simple way to add luxury to chocolate. It honestly just tastes like a Hershey bar, but I ain't mad at it. It's like nothing super special, but it's good. Fun fact. Some of y'all may not know, white chocolate has no chocolate in it. It's basically like butter, vanilla, and like sugar. Probably something else I'm forgetting, but yeah, there's like no cocoa or cocoa. No cocoa in it, so it's not really chocolate. But that don't make it any less good. Alright, next item. That's gonna be Lotus Biscoff. Now, I've seen these before. So it's just like a simple little cookie. It smells graham cracker-ish. It smells like the ones that I've had before, but the ones I had before were like thin and just shaped a little different. I want to assume that this is going to taste the same, so let's see. Oh, they didn't snap very much. I hope it's not stale. It's not crunchy like I would think it would be, but I just noticed on the back, underneath where they tell you to get more, like to buy them at, it tells you it's the original caramelized biscuit. So I'm assuming that's why I'm chewing it the way I am, because it's not, it's like it's got caramel or something in it. Excuse my lipstick. It's matte. And I didn't think it'd be coming off, but it's coming off. But yeah, that's okay. I've had this before. This one actually tastes a little bit better than the ones I had. So that is that's like a short. I wrote a little bit of facts, and that one is basically it's a short crust biscuit, and it's known like as a speculum, and it's basically like a Belgian specialty. So shouts out to Belgium. And this is going to take a little bit of a turn, because the next item is like a fruity item, not a chocolatey item. And this one is Jelly Tots by Roundtrees. It says no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. I don't know. Those colors look a little artificial to me. But don't judge a book by its cover, right? Let's see. Wow, they look like sour Skittles. I can't ever get something focus. Yeah, it looks like a little sour Skittle. This one's green. Maybe this is an artificially green color, but it definitely looks like it's not artificial green. Wow. Try this one more time. So they don't say sour. I just assumed they would be. Got the same consistency of a Sour Patch Kid. The same colors you see on the top right inside. And that green one tastes like lime. Ooh. I'm struggling with two. So that's I would say a deal breaker, but that's a negative. I don't really like candy that sticks to my teeth like that. This yellow, I wish I could capture this yellow, because this yellow, that is not natural. Damn, I can't get anything to focus. Yeah, this is not a natural yellow. It'll look kind of crazy. Yellow is not a color. Excuse me, lemon. It's not a candy flavor that I'm fond of, but that was not bad. These remind me of Sour Patch Kids, but they're not sour. I don't know if their intention is to be sour, but they're not. All the little sugar sprinkles on there are deceiving. Excuse me, orange is subtle. It tastes like fake orange, but maybe there's a little bit of a natural orange low-key in that. Now this pink, this is the natural pink. I'm so judgy of these colors because there's no natural, no artificial colors, but that is what I would call a natural pink. I thought it was supposed to be red. Yeah, it comes off red on the packaging, but it's like a decent little pink. So I could say, you know, that comes from like watermelon or rose. It's like a strawberry. That one's my favorite. I like that one. I like that a lot. And then last but not least, grape. I guess this color could be probably achieved naturally. I didn't try to get that one in focus, but let me see if that'll work with my fingers in the way. Yeah, somewhat. It's, yeah. I feel like this is going to taste like the most artificial grape ever, though. So I really do not think they should be out here advertising our no artificial flavors. But then again, advertisement everywhere is screwed up. I don't think that's great. Well, it doesn't tell you the flavors. Like Skittles will be like cherry, blue. No, it doesn't tell you that. Blue's not a flavor, but it's not telling me. But I feel like that may be like black currant or something. Yep. Well, there's grape in here too. I don't know what that's going towards, but I feel like I'm eating black currant. So I'd say my favorite jelly tots are the pink and the purple. The other three can go have a seat. And that's a really like, that's a really different taste. It's got like I don't know. I don't want to sound like I think I'm some type of connoisseur, but it's got like an undertone of like grapefruit or something. That's why I feel like it may be black currant. And I like that as a flavor in a candy because we don't get that in the States. Apparently black currant's like banned or something like that. So next one, we have one last one, and it's called a Whisper. Whisper is made by Cadbury. And some of us know Cadbury for the Cadbury eggs that we get in Easter. I'm a little bit more familiar with them because I worked at a duty-free in the airport, and they had Cadbury, the dairy milk, Cadbury does dairy milk? Anyways, they had the dairy milk bars, they had Cadbury, God knows what else. But they're definitely like, oh, Cadbury, don't stop there, honey. So, I'm pretty familiar with them, but, excuse me again. I did never know that Cadbury made anything like this. Of course, this is not made in the States. I just want to see if I can see where it's made. This is interesting. It says by appointment to HM, the Queen Cocoa and Chocolate Manufacturers, Cadbury, UK. Bourneville. Where's Bourneville? If anybody watching this know where Bourneville is in the UK, please let me know. I didn't research hard enough apparently to find out the location of this, but I'm assuming that everybody in the UK has Whisper. I didn't think there was a specific area. I'm from the States, so I look at this and I see the numbers and it's so weird. to see the format of the numbers that way. Like one of them has like no dashes in between, and I don't know how to decipher the format, because ours is supposed to be 3-digit area code, 3 digits for the first part of your number, 4 digits for the last part of your number. This don't look anything like what I have seen, and I'm gonna try and get it to where maybe you can see it. But yeah, that's a phone number, and that's another phone number. That one's got 1 dash, but that's it. So it's just really interesting to see the format of things in different countries. But let's get to trying this. It's Whisper, and the letters look like balloons. A little balloon mouthpiece right there. So, and it says it's aerated, so we're gonna have a lot of air in this candy bar. I've never seen aerated chocolate. It feels about as heavy as a regular chocolate bar, so let's just dive in. No lettering or anything on it. I think they were like, it's good as it is. It doesn't need any extras. So let's try it. That's interesting. It tastes like a hard Three Musketeers. That's all it is inside. I don't know why I thought I was gonna see like huge holes. Wow. It's good though. If you like some really good chocolate, like this reminds me of a caramel without the caramel, because I believe Cadbury makes caramel too. Finishing this because I like this one. We need this in the States, Cadbury. I don't know why we don't have a variation of this for America, but I would love if we could get on that. What I'm fond of is, I wonder if we have our own version of this, because we don't have a queen. Or maybe it's like an FDA symbol or something like that, but this is basically like a seal from the queen, but this is like by appointment from HM the Queen. So that's really cool. I'm gonna see if any of these other ones may have it. Nope, this one doesn't have it. Let's see this one. Nope. I'm so glad that these have like... I'm so mad. This little thing right here tells me, peel and reclose me and save me for later. So why was there a tear tab? I could have been saving these. That's so, Oh, wow. I'm so stupid. You peel it off there, and then you seal it. Okay. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know if it was a candy brain fart or what, but that was special because it's a cute little sticker. You roll this up, I guess, and seal it however you want. And then, I love that. Okay, so I got off track. Got like such a span of a goldfish, so my bad. But yeah, there's no more of those queen seals on there, and that's the last piece of candy. There's no more sweets in the bag. Gone. They were so good. But I really gotta make sure I thank Tammy again, because I enjoyed trying those sweets. My favorites out of all of them, I don't know. I was gonna say the marble chocolate, because I thought it tastes really good, and I said it tastes like a Hershey, but it tastes like something I've had before, so I'm gonna go with the Whisper. I feel like the Whisper was my favorite thing out of this bag, and I like it a lot. So hopefully I get another opportunity to experiment with some new chocolates, and if not, hopefully she brings some more Whispers back to the States. That's it for this taste test. I'm glad you guys hung out with me and watched me enjoy those sweets. Definitely didn't like a few of them, like that mint chocolate one. I don't know why anybody makes mint chocolate candy, but for those of you who enjoy it, thank you for eliminating that catastrophe for those who don't. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you had a favorite chocolate that you may have tried or one that you would like to try. Leave me any suggestions for future taste test videos in the comments as well. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'll have my social medias down below. Feel free to follow me, and I love your faces. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!